Introducing Rkhive, a Mass Academy-specific database developed by Kazia Erdos, Justin Wang, and Karina Sargent. Over the past year, the COVID-19 pandemic has brought tremendous challenges to the Massachusetts Academy of Math and Science. The absence of regular in-person classes has created a disconnect between students and the school's history and culture. Many other challenges to mental health, including demotivation and lack of socialization, have also limited the interactive experience of attending the school.
In response to this, Rkhive aims to set in place a continuously updating repository of Mass Academy history, including information about past students, to serve as a resource for current students and alumni to connect with and learn more about the school. Alumni will be able to utilize the app to connect with future Mass Academy students through alumni profiles. Current students will act as a source of information to continuously add content to the app and manage the app's data and functionality. Ultimately, Rkhive aims to establish a valuable resource for future students at Mass Academy and develop a closer sense of connectivity within the community. Although there exist many different online yearbooks and alumni databases, there are three main advantages of the Rkhive model over these competitors. First and foremost is the tight-knit nature of Mass Academy, which is ideal for the versatile and immersive profiles of Rkhive. A detailed description of each student leads to a strong absorption of the school's history and culture. Second is the continuous publish and update mechanism, which allows flexibility for creative freedom, easy mistake fixing, and changing profiles. And finally, the creation of a connection between alumni and current students, enabling each Mass Academy student to reach out, collaborate, and advance their education.
The minimum viable product of Rkhive consists of an interactive yearbook from the class of 2021 onwards, with the ability to include information about every student at Mass Academy. Students input data through a Google form, which allows editing of information after initial publishing. Each profile consists of an image, personal description, and quote, as well as details such as the student's favorite class and section. The app also contains an interactive alumni page, which includes updatable alumni profiles from every student with college and career information, opportunities, or advice to current students and contact information. In the future, we hope to populate the alumni section with previous classes as well as our own.
The structure of Rkhive mostly revolves around the capturing, interpreting, and displaying of the data. First, the yearbook data is collected from a Google form, which is directly linked to a Google Sheet where the data is organized, filtered, and sorted. This sheet serves as an intermediate step between users and the site, so that managers can curate the information before it gets published. From here, a manager simply clicks a button, and a Google Apps script populates a Firebase Cloud database, which then triggers the website to update. In this process, data is pushed into an automatically updating container of cells. That means that there will be just the right amount of cells to fit every student. Users can also quickly switch between pages with the navigation tools.
The Rkhive team plans to continue the expansion of this project into the future. Some of the additional features we're considering include utilizing Vue as a JavaScript framework for a more cohesive web design, using jQuery to simplify our code, implementing an all-inclusive and editable timeline of Mass Academy history, including images and descriptions of significant events, adding separate class pages to add more distinction between the classes and show the personalities of each year at the Academy, implementing a college network to act as a resource for students at the Academy in their own college searches, and enriching student profiles with the addition of STEM projects and other personal projects, which would act as a helpful resource for future students. In the coming years, we hope to grow the Mass Academy Rkhive and continue to add important features, ultimately creating a unifying, connecting database which students in the future can use to make the most of the Mass Academy experience.